Hello once again, YouTubers. Brace yourself, mad dogs. Gosh, two very excitable dogs. I'm going to be doing some FPV flying today. Weather-wise, it's not looking that great, to be honest. I think we're probably going to get some downpours throughout the video, so I'm just going to kind of be bringing you back, I suppose, as and when, but I think we're going to get some pretty torrential rain in the next 5 or 10 minutes, so I'm going to make my way up to what I call 7 Deer Wood. Yeah, this place always comes up trumps a lot of the time. I met a gentleman just now, just back there. He was very inquisitive to see what I was doing with my drone, and I was just demonstrating some of the functions of the DJI Neo. I was pretty blown away with that. He also looked at my hat and he said to me, "What's that you've got there then?" I said, "Well, it's a hat, but it has the kind of the ability to hold a mobile phone, because not everyone's got one of these small sports cameras. I think most people have probably got a mobile phone of some description. It kind of looks a bit ridiculous in a sense, because people normally sort of stand like that, don't they? Filming or taking photographs or whatever else. But by doing it this way, you literally have got both of your hands free. So if perhaps you were working on something or you wanted to film something, they don't necessarily have to stand there like that, getting aching arms. You can just simply put it in, the little attachment here, then it'll film for you pretty much. You don't want to land your drone in stinging apples, do you? Because those things, I know it's the back end of the season, but they're still pretty powerful. give you a nasty sting, but apparently they're very good to eat and to cook up. So I've been told anyway. Haven't tried it personally, mine, but I don't want to give anything a go, I suppose. Ooh, what's that over there? I don't know. Let's not find out. Could be someone's back garden. We're going to go back out of there. I think there's a bit of a camping site round here. I believe there is. Okay, we're just going to take it through. Oh my, the wind is playing a devil tonight. It is pushing it around. Even in the wood, it's really trying to push it around. Anyway, yeah, so the telematics, I'll stick some down below. I think it kind of adds something to the video. It just gives people, an idea really of what the drone's kind of doing. Oh dear, I'm pixelating up badly and I can't quite see where I'm going. Right, I'm going to have to bring it back towards the home point, which is more towards this way, I believe. Yeah, I'm just going to come out of there, I think. I'll bring you over here. Have a little fly. Oh my gosh, it is a bit thick in here, isn't it? Don't really want to be leaving your drone 25 feet up in the air because you might not get it back again, so you've got to be really, really careful when you're flying it up fairly high. Much prefer to fly down ground level because if you do have a crash, you've got more chance of bringing it back. But sometimes you just got to fly a bit higher just to get through it. Like this, for instance. Here we go. Oh gosh. Sorry about that. I was focusing on what was kind of like 30-40 yards ahead, a gap, to get it out. There we go. Right. Going to aim it up now. Oh, we got some clouds on the horizon. I think there's some rain over there. You can see it coming down. That's heading my way, by the way, so I'm going to have to make probably a dash for it sort of fairly soon. I'm getting a high wind velocity warning on the drone, so I've got to be a bit careful of that. Alright, we're now going to start to go downwind, so it's going to fly a bit quicker. I'm going to take it a little bit lower. Do some treetop, what I call forest surfing, just kind of diving between the trees. Yeah, it's quite exciting, I tell you. I'll take it up, bank it around. Just trying to find a gap somewhere, really, just to fly into. A gap down there. Yeah. And we're gonna turn it over there. Then we're gonna head on in again. See if we can try and find a gap somewhere. Ooh, that wind is playing a bit of a devil with the drone. And now we're in. Right, so we're flying in what I call 7 deer wood, and we're also using the sound from the good old cam cap there, using the mobile phone. Something different. Yeah, so this place is a really busy place, guys. Okay, I cannot go belting around in this one, which in a sense is great because we can see a lot more when you're just flying slow and just taking your time to go through. There's always something here to see. Normally, whenever I come in here, I always tend to see something, deer or whatever else. Oh, there we go. Right on the money there. So there's one of them there. There must be another one around here somewhere. I don't want to spook them. I don't want to chase them. What I really want to do is just to get reasonably close, maybe to land this thing, and then just see what they do, see what they make of it. I think it may have went through this way somewhere, so we're just going to slowly weasel our way through. There we go. Let me just maybe take a little bit of a pursuit just to see where it went. but I do realise that I am a guest in here, so there we go. Okay. Right, so it went over that way, so we're gonna head on back towards the home point. I mean, literally within, what was that, a minute of getting up, we've seen something. That was great. I really enjoyed that. So anyway, we're not going to talk about politics. We're not going to talk about immigration. We're not going to talk about artificial intelligence. You know, there's just some things. Oh, just some things we just can't do anything about. Okay, so I've landed, or I've crashed actually, upside down. So I'm going to have to go and pick it up. But there we go. We'll pick it up and we'll start again. Here comes the rain. Get under a tree. I'm going to have to assess my kind of work life in a sense, because I'm finding it quite difficult to carry on with the gutter cleaning. I'm not doing any gutter cleaning videos at the moment, just because my channel really is predominantly a drone flying channel, and that's the kind of thing people want to see. So that's the kind of thing I'm going to be sort of filming really, and uploading to my channel. Anyway, it's just starting to kind of chuck it down now, and it's only a squally shower, probably be gone in about 10 minutes time, so I'm going to take cover, and yeah, then I head on to the car. Anyway, just want to say thanks for watching. If you like this kind of thing, please like and subscribe, and yeah, we have fun on here. It's a fun channel, and I really like what I do.